Create citations in MLA format. I go to Easybib. I click on only want to create. I cite the website is CNN. It's MLA format. This is the source, CNN.com. I cite it. So it just has generic information. Once it works, I'm going to continue to put my own information in. I'm going to manually put the title in. I copied and pasted it from the website. It does not have an author, so I am going to leave that blank. We left the author blank because there wasn't an author for this, but if there is an author, put the name here. Put the website title down here where the URL is, copy and paste it from the website. Here it is. I'm copy and pasting it into here. It was published September 30th, so I would turn the 30th of September 2018. Then I press complete citation. This is already in the proper, it's double spaced. The second two lines are indented. The first one is not, so it's perfect for what we need to do. I will copy and paste it, and I will put it inside of my document right here. It goes after, numbers go after the alphabetical order, but look what it did. It messed up all my margins. So I have to put my cursor at the end, and then I have to press enter, and then I press tab. Then I put it at the end again, press enter, and then tab, and then my margins are in proper order.